Coffee grinder electric LINKChef nut and spice grinder 250W with large capacity detachable stainless steel bowl and electric wire storage function. BLACK, CG9230, 3 years warranty, black. Portable and detachable design. The container is portable and detachable design. Made with 304 stainless steel. Easy to clean, can remove the bowl and use water to wash it. Double lids will never make your kitchen or parlor messy. Powerful grind and large capacity. 250W DC motor ensure you can grind coffee beans, spices, and lots kinds of nuts. Max 60 grams capacity can provide 12 cups coffee each grinding. It's enough to grind coffee for your family and friends. To have more time to chat with them instead of grinding the coffee. Safety protection. There is an security switch that the coffee grinder only can work when you cover the outer lid. Double lids means double protection. Innovative fashion design, metallic feel color design, catch everyone's eyes on you. The wire storage function makes the kitchen look simpler and easier to carry when you out of work and travel. What you get: coffee grinder motor part, the grind cup with lid, the safety switch lid, 36 months warranty and 7/24 friendly customer service for peace of mind. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.